A circular reference arises where a calculation depends on its own result and creates a calculation loop.
Here we've just got three values of 10, but we can create a circular reference by making each 10 refer to the cell below it. So we'll say this cell is equal to this one, this cell is equal to this one, and this final cell is equal to the first one. That creates a circular reference where it can't solve itself, and Excel will give us this warning and then insert these blue arrows to show us how we can go fix that. And then you can just go and inspect it and try and get rid of that circular reference. You can locate circular references by going to the Formulas tab, going to Error Checking, using this drop down, and using the circular reference option. So here it's showing us all three, and we can go to any one of them. And that can be useful for finding them in a large workbook where you just can't see it immediately where the circular reference is.